Well, gather round, folks, let me tell you a tale about the RV life and how it can fail. From the black tank blues to the squeaky old brakes, you gotta fix it up before the next trip takes. Do the Stinky Slinky, let's get it on. Wiggle and jive till the break of dawn. With a wrench in hand and a smile on your face, we'll clean up the mess and keep up the pace. The road gets bumpy and the fridge won't chill. You gotta dance around, fix it up with skill. Grab that plunger, give it a whirl. We're swinging and laughing, watch the chaos unfurl. Do the Stinky Slinky, let's get it on. Wiggle and jive till the break of dawn. With a wrench in hand and a smile on your face, we'll clean up the mess and keep up the pace. So if your pipes are clogged and the water won't flow, just do the Stinky Slinky, let the good times roll. With a shimmy and shake, we'll make it alright. Fixing up the RV under the moonlight. Slinky, let's get it on. Wiggle and jive till the break of dawn. With a wrench in hand and a smile on your face, we'll clean up the mess and keep up the pace. So come on now, friends, join the fun. With a Stinky Slinky dance, we'll never be done. From the highway to the campsite, we'll sing our song in this RV life where we all belong.
Okay, now hold that.